Okay, so I'm making a tripod mount for my car. I went to Home Depot and bought a 3-foot section of 1/16 thick, 3/4 aluminum tubing. I cut it in half, 18 inches, and have my drill press set up here. And we're going to drill some holes. I bought some half-inch U-bolts, and that'll serve to connecting to the back of the headrest. And we're going to go ahead and drill the other hole and measure for the second U-bolt, and we should be all set. Okay, so the holes are drilled and the U-bolt is through. So when sitting on the back of the headrest, it'll be sitting like that. The bar will go through here, tighten them up, and then on the other side is where the mount will be for the camcorder pointing out the front windshield.